ಜಿನ್ಲಾನ್ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ 2-3 ಕಾರಣಗಳಿದ್ವು. ಒಂದು, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟು 4 ದಿವಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿರೋಂಥ ಮಗು ತೀರ್ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳದಂಗೆ ಆ ಮಗು ಅಂದರೆ 20 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗಿ ತೀರ್ಹೋದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ನೋವಾಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಕೀಮೋಥೆರಪಿ ಆಗಿರೋ ಜನಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಕೀಮೋಥೆರಪಿ ಆದ ಕೂದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಉದುರೋಗೋದು, ಒಂಥರ ಜೀವಚ್ಛವವಾಗಿರೋದು. ಆವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೀಮೋಥೆರಪಿನೇ ಭಯಂಕರವಾಗಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರಿಗೆ ಗುಣಪಡಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Jinlan was founded with a vision to make a difference by conducting important research leading to the betterment of people's life.
We at Jinlan Institute of Life Sciences, we want to give a platform to people, the scientists, the entrepreneurs, or even the students and the academicians to come together, nurture the study of technology and research.
We intend to emerge into most common areas of research and development related activities in disease process, development and therapy in India.
Biotechnology industry by itself is a very volatile industry. Most of the people don't understand the dynamics of the biotechnology industry. That's because we don't have something called a business model in biotechnology industry, so that on which we can bank on for fundings and other grants. Here in Jinlan, we want to prove that a private company of India can have something called a sustainable business model in biotechnology.
Jinlan is aimed at providing affordable and rapid diagnostic tests which could save millions of people from dreaded diseases like chikungunya, dengue, HIV/AIDS, TB and others.
The major area which we are working is focused on bleeding disorders. For example, hemophilia, and in some cases there will be non-formation of blood clots. So this leads to the loss of blood and ultimately resulting in the death of the patient. So here we are delivering some of the innovative products so that it can arrest the loss of blood at that moment and saving the lives of that particular patient. And another area which we are working is on blood clot dissolution, like heart attack patients. So with our innovative molecules, we are going to dissolve the blood clot that happens in the brain, and this results in the normal blood flow and helps the patient to regain his normal life activities. So the technology that is developed at Jinlan Institute can be applied to various fields such as wound healing, clot dissolution, clot formation, and also in development of innovative vacutainer tubes.
Current toxicological studies are based on immortal cell lines and laboratory animals which do not mimic the human physiology. So therefore, it is very important to identify a cell culture system which mimic the complex in vivo systems. Stem cells are multipotent in nature and offer an alternative platform to overcome the limitations of current in vitro model systems. Moreover, identification of stem-like cells in various tumors led the researchers to use these stem cells to create or generate 3D cell culture system for drug discovery studies. GIL's challenge is to develop a reliable and well standardized cell culture model system for drug discovery and toxicity studies.
Here we're working in biological control of various insect pests of the Lepidopteran order on the agricultural crops. So we are aiming in developing a biocontrol agent with the help of entomopathogenic nematodes and their symbiotic bacteria as a part of integrated pest management. These nematodes, they have a wide spectrum of insecticidal activity. They are capable of killing the pest within a short duration compared to the chemical insecticides.
Our emphasis mostly focuses on infectious diseases related to bacteria and virus, non-infectious diseases such as diabetes, cancer and cardiovascular diseases. We use both molecular biological and immunological techniques such as PCR, DNA cloning, and protein expression both in bacteria and mammalian systems for preclinical studies, as well imaging and cell sorting methods.
We encourage our scientists to go ahead and do their higher degrees and probably do their postdoc research work at our lab. We also take care that our scientists are updated and do their publications on time-to-time basis. We also educate them of the importance of the intellectual property rights, and we help them file patents and their innovative strategies. And not only that, every product what we release at GeneLawn, the scientists have a royalty on it. We at GeneLawn want to bring in a sustainable business model which supports the research activities in the long run. So, and we want to prove it being a private company in India with resource-centric and people-centric attitude. In resource-centric, what we mean is every resource, every amount of pie what we have put into the equipments, the infrastructure and the people, for us it's the most valued one. We don't want to waste those resources on unnecessary things, probably have multiple departments with multiple funding. For us, each resource has to be shared by the multiple departments and bring out the best in the research and technology. People-centric methodologies involve that every person in GeneLawn, every scientist here is an asset to the company, and everyone has an idea or a vision on which they want to pursue their research. So we want to make sure they have access to technologies, advancements in biotechnology sector, and as well as methodologies which are up to date.
Here at GeneLawn Institute of Life Sciences, we have been successful in monitoring and analyzing the real-time activities in the research. With the help of Google Enterprise Solutions, we have been able to monitor the research activities, understand the various expenditures involved, and at the same time improve the inter-employee communication.
The resource infrastructure what we have is some of the best in the world. We have never compromised on the equipments or the caliber of the equipments. We have imported most of our equipments to meet the criteria for the scientists.
GeneLawn plans to increase the marketing efforts very aggressively this year. We are already in discussion with various organizations like University of Agricultural Sciences, GKVK, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Indian CST, to name a few.
GeneLawn has taken a lot of pain, and they have also invested a lot of money, and they are with fully equipped equipments and also scientists who are committed for this work.
Interest in civil constructions related to science and research and development led me to GeneLawn.
Last almost 1 year, I am looking at this company, the way it is acquiring instruments and for various biological experiments, and the vision they have to serve the country with various aspects of drug discovery, therapeutic applications and training is an amazing initiative.
It's indeed an honor to be a part of GILS, and I am sure GeneLawn is at the forefront of an innovative approach for the diagnosis of various human as well as animal diseases.
The work environment here at GeneLawn is progressive, dynamic and very encouraging, which allows me to work towards a unique solution for this varied requirement for the organization.
I am very happy with the facilities provided by GILS, and I am very proud to say GILS is at the forefront of developing stem cell based model system, a promising substitute in terms of a single organ based preclinical studies.
To harness such research work, we require a committed team and a strong leadership. I feel really privileged to be a part of such a great working environment which adds a sense of meaning to my work.
I'm sure with its well-equipped lab and well-equipped staff and strict adherence to the safety and the biomedical measures, it will reach us to the society with all challenging problems in the future with both veterinary and the medical sciences.
Our aim is to reach out to the common man through multidisciplinary approach by extending our arms into varied fields.
I am sure the research that is carried on from here will reach the common man.
We are successful even if we are able to save some lives through our product and research, and at an affordable cost if we can bring out products which the common Indian public can access.